Alright, here we go, guys. We're actually going to make the cheesy macaroni first. There we are, boiling our 4 cups of water. And after that, we're going to try this teriyaki rice. And I don't know if anybody's ever told you guys, but it's a good idea that if you're going to stock up on food, you try it first. Make sure you like it. Because otherwise, you don't want to get stuck with 20 years of food that you don't like eating. I mean, it's better than eating bugs, but still, try to get something that tastes halfway decent. So we'll be back here in a minute. Like I said, we're going to try this one first. I'll have the kids and the wife try it, and we'll try the teriyaki rice, and we'll see what we got. Alright, here we go. Open this up. It is a Mylar bag, which is nice to see. Guys, don't forget to get the oxygen absorber out before you put the water in here. There. Alright. Hopefully this thing doesn't fall over.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, you want to do the honors of the water?
Sure.
You're going to burn yourself. You might want to. There you go. Just put the water in there. Easy.
The whole thing?
Yes. Careful.
Yeah, the heat from this is like burning out. Okay.
We'll see if it's
okay,
all
so
right.
I fall over before I finish adding it. Hold on, that's not all the water.
That's good. Maybe like some of your mountain houses where they're not quite right on water. Guys, you will need a spoon. You might want to get a bigger spoon than this spoon. It's not a very big spoon. Alright. Stir this up a little. These bags do not stand up as easy as Mountain House does. Alright, let's stir that up. Alright, now I believe you have to close it. Let's see what it says here. Add contents of pouch in boiling water, stir, turn off heat, and cover. Let stand for 12 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Alright.
Go.
Hey guys, all of the powder for the cheese is down in the corners of this bag, and like I was telling you, it really doesn't sit nearly as good as the Mountain House bags do. But it does look like macaroni and cheese. I mean, it doesn't look bad.
And it smells like it. He can't smell much. But it does smell like it.
It's almost done. Probably is done, but it's definitely almost done. So we'll let it sit here as it's cool for a few minutes. So it doesn't burn everybody's freaking face. But if you can see, the bag just kind of collapses on itself.
Yeah.
Unlike the Mountain House, which actually is a lot firmer and tries to stay up a little better.
The Mountain House has that 3-fold on the most of their bags.
Yeah. So
this
is
the tints kind of.
Definitely not that. We were just talking that it would probably be a better idea to put this into either your pot, a cooking pot, or a bowl or something like that. Might be a little bit better than this, but it does do the trick. It's just you can burn your face off when you put the water in there if you're not careful. It'll spill over on you, and you got to work it to get the powder out of the center. But other than that, I'll say we'll let it cool and we'll give it a test. All right, guys. Well, we managed to get everything out of there. And we've got 2 large bowls. Like I said, this is probably a serving for me. They said it's 4 servings, but unless you're eating more, I wouldn't say so. But we're going to get our taste testers in here and see what they think. Alright guys, we're back. Got the taste testers. Got Jonathan here, Sophie, my wife Kara, and we're going to try this. The ReadyWise mac and cheese. Alright guys, who's first?
Go for it, Jay.
Me?
Do it, buddy.
Which one do I take out of?
Whichever one you want.
This one looks like it has more, so if it's good, I like it. I'll keep it. trying to get some.
Well,
Yeah, Jake.
it's like he's sipping a fine wine.
What do you think, buddy? How is it for survival mac and cheese?
Okay. If the zombies
Alright.
are attacking and that's all you have to eat, would you be happy?
All right, Sophie.
She's
You're not a
dying.
fan, huh?
She's dying. Oh, it's not bad.
Sophie's a macaroni and cheese connoisseur here.
Oh.
Try not to spill it, Sophie.
It's okay.
I don't think the kids are fans.
Did it need to cook a little longer?
Maybe it's kind of close.
Sorry about that. Yeah, we were a little worried about that.
Yeah, I definitely need to cook a little longer, but I'm taking it.
Oh, you're going to take it with you, huh? Wait a minute.
Stay over here. My turn.
Yeah, try it. See what you
Okay, so
think.
I'm not a huge mac and cheese fan anyways, but
I didn't know if you cooked it too short, too long.
so I think that it definitely needs to cook a little bit longer. I feel like you can taste that there's some powdered cheese in there, but for all intents and purposes, it's mac and cheese.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
think
yeah. It's
that
like,
would not be the worst survival food we've ever tried.
that's good. Sophie obviously likes it
She's
because
good
she's
with it.
just going to say, I'm just going to eat the rest. And there she goes.
So
All
say
right,
bye.
Sorry about our mess, guys. We're doing some spring cleaning.
Trying to get ready for the boat.
And here's mine, so I'm gonna
Hand
eat
me
it.
off the phone. For the record, there's actually mac and cheese on the phone too.
Yeah, sorry about that. I don't think it needs to cook longer because I like my noodles
He does.
a little more firm, but I mean, this is right up my alley.
Yeah, and like he said, he really just made 2 bowls of it because he felt like it was an honest 2 servings.
Yes.
Definitely
In
with
case you didn't notice, my daughter just wandered off with a bowl. She will eat by herself.
Jay could have eaten a bowl by himself, and he could have probably
This is
eaten
going
at
to be
least
all mine by myself.
2 bowls. So, and then I usually don't eat it. So, definitely, I would say 2 servings.
This is definitely. I'm going to put this up there with one of my favorite of the survival foods because, like I said, I like macaroni and cheese.
Yeah, I mean it really does. To me, it tastes just like the Kraft.
Yeah, it's like yeah, it is. So I like
It's very like it. Okay.
All right, guys. Stay
Next
tuned
up.
for our next video. We're going to try the teriyaki rice and see what we think. If you guys haven't liked the video and subscribed, it would sure do us a favor if you would. And we appreciate it. And we'll get back to you soon on the next one.